Today, I am reviewing the Schlage Encode Smart Wi-Fi Deadbolt Lock. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. Installation is refreshingly straightforward. There is no need for complicated wiring or additional hubs. If your door meets standard measurements, the lock fits without modification. The snap and stay design is more useful than it sounds. Being able to hold the exterior portion in place while securing the interior component makes solo installation much easier. Within minutes, the lock feels solidly mounted, and once tightened, there is no looseness or instability. It retains the substantial, sturdy feel you would expect from a Schlage mechanical deadbolt. The built-in Wi-Fi connectivity is one of the most important aspects of this lock. Unlike many smart locks that require a separate hub or bridge, the Encode connects directly to your home Wi-Fi network. Through the Schlage Home app, you can lock or unlock the door from virtually anywhere. During testing, remote commands were consistently responsive. Whether unlocking the door for a family member while away or checking the lock status late at night, the feedback was immediate and reliable. That sense of real-time control significantly changes how you think about home access. Managing access codes is where the Encode becomes particularly powerful. You can create up to 100 unique codes, each assigned to specific individuals. For families, this means each member can have their own code. For service providers like cleaners or maintenance staff, you can assign temporary codes and disable them when no longer needed. The app allows you to view lock history, showing exactly when codes were used and by whom. This audit trail adds a layer of transparency that traditional keys simply cannot provide. For short-term rental hosts, the integration with Airbnb is a major advantage. Instead of manually generating and sending codes to guests, the lock can automatically create unique access codes tied to reservation dates. The codes activate at check-in and expire at checkout. This reduces administrative overhead and minimizes the risk of forgotten or reused codes lingering beyond a guest's stay. In practice, this feature transforms the Encode from a convenience upgrade into a workflow tool for property management. Security is not just about digital features, and this is where the Encode distinguishes itself from lower-cost smart locks. It carries high residential security ratings for durability and finish. The physical build feels robust, with a reinforced deadbolt mechanism that inspires confidence. The touchscreen is fingerprint-resistant and remains responsive in different lighting conditions. There is also a built-in alarm that can detect door movement or forced entry attempts. When triggered, it emits a noticeable alert sound. While it is not a replacement for a full security system, it adds another deterrent layer. Voice assistant compatibility with Alexa and Google Home works as expected. You can issue lock or unlock commands, though unlocking typically requires additional authentication for safety. Voice control is most useful for quick status checks or locking the door hands-free when leaving. The integration feels stable and does not introduce noticeable delays. Day-to-day usability is where the Encode truly proves its value. The one-touch exterior locking function makes securing the door effortless. Simply pressing the touchscreen locks the deadbolt immediately. The auto-lock feature can be configured with various time delays. If you're someone who occasionally forgets to lock the door, this feature offers peace of mind without requiring constant manual checks. During testing, the auto-lock engaged consistently according to the selected timer. Battery performance is another practical consideration. Despite continuous Wi-Fi connectivity, battery life remains respectable. The system provides low battery notifications well in advance, giving you time to replace batteries without unexpected lockouts. Even if the batteries were to die completely, the exterior includes a physical keyway as a backup, maintaining traditional access as a fail-safe. There are, however, considerations to keep in mind. Because it relies on your home Wi-Fi network, performance depends on network stability. In homes with weak signal coverage near the front door, a Wi-Fi extender may be necessary. Additionally, as with any internet-connected device, users should maintain strong passwords and secure network practices. After extensive testing, the Schlage Encode Smart Wi-Fi Deadbolt feels like a mature smart home product rather than an early adopter experiment. It maintains the physical security standards expected from a reputable lock manufacturer while layering in meaningful digital functionality.